Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. When she was in the university, she wake up early in the morning every day. A should, B would, C will, D would have. Answer is B would. When Aslam got home, he realized he dashed his laptop at the cafe. A left, B has left, C have left, D had left. Answer is D had left. Bus drivers driving a lot slower when entering commercial centers. A should, B would, C should be, D would be. Answer is C should be. Near the Natural History Museum, there is a bridge the river Nile. A above, B over, C off, D towards. Answer is B over. The children are over the moon because their parents have decided a cat. A get, B getting, C to get, D to getting. Answer is C to get. Ikra was very tired yesterday. She didn't go to the office. A but, B so, C such, D then. Answer is B so. Sadaf can't walk anymore. She is now tired. A to, B so, C such, D so such. Answer is A to. What they are doing does not seem working. A B, B being, C being, D to be. Answer is D to be. She is going to quit her job they give her a pay rise. A or, B until, C unless, D providing. Answer is C unless. Near the historic monument, there is a bridge the Chenab River. A above, B over, C off, D towards. Answer is B over. Nabila has finished her work. Now she is home. A going, B. Going to. C. Going to the. D. Going towards the. Answer is A. Going. It's the first time I dash seafood in my life. A. Eat. B. Eaten. C. Have eaten. D. Had eaten. Answer is C. Have eaten. While UK has earned record revenue this year, dash will behind in exports. A. It still lag. B. It still lags. C. It lags still. D. It lags still. Answer is B. It still lags. Amna and Asma went shopping, but dash couldn't find anything dash liked. A. They, those. B. They, them. C. Those, they. D. They. Answer is D. They. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.